Tired of your business banking feeling like a relic from the past? What if I told you there's a modern, digital-first solution designed to simplify your financial life, but it comes with a few trade-offs? Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of using Relay Bank for your business. First, let's talk about the good stuff. The biggest pro of Relay is its incredible ease of use. The platform is sleek, intuitive, and built for the modern entrepreneur. You can open multiple business checking accounts, up to 20, in fact, each with its own dedicated account number. This is a game changer for budgeting. You can create separate accounts for payroll, taxes, marketing, and more, giving you crystal clear visibility into where your money is going. Plus, the ability to issue up to 50 virtual or physical debit cards is a massive bonus, allowing you to give your team spending power without sacrificing control. Another huge pro is the fee structure. Or, more accurately, the lack thereof. Relay boasts no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and no minimum balance requirements. This is a breath of fresh air compared to traditional banks that nickel and dime you for every transaction. The integrated bill pay and invoicing features also streamline your operations, saving you valuable time. And let's not forget the seamless integration with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, which makes reconciliation a breeze. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. So, what are the cons? The first major drawback is the lack of physical branches. For businesses that deal with a lot of cash, this can be a deal breaker. You simply can't walk into a Relay branch to make a deposit. While they do offer a cash deposit service through a third party, it's not as convenient as a traditional bank branch. Secondly, while Relay is fantastic for day-to-day transactions, it's not a full-service bank. They don't offer loans, lines of credit, or investment accounts. If your business needs a comprehensive suite of financial products, you might find yourself needing to maintain a relationship with a traditional bank as well. This can complicate things and defeat the purpose of having a single, streamlined banking solution. Finally, while their customer support is generally responsive and helpful, it's all digital. There's no one you can sit down and talk to in person to resolve complex issues. For some business owners, especially those who value personal relationships with their bankers, this can be a significant negative. So, is Relay right for your business? If you're a digital native business with low cash transactions and you value a modern, fee-free platform with powerful budgeting tools, then Relay could be the perfect fit. However, if you rely on cash deposits, need access to loans, or prefer the security of in-person banking, you might be better off sticking with a traditional financial institution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.